Hi there, students. To detrude. To detrude, a verb. Okay, this means to press down with force or to push away, to push out. Um, this group of people have been detruded from society. They've been pushed away. They've been rejected. Yeah, maybe they are considered untouchable. You could also actually have a noun, detrusion. The detrusion of certain groups within society is just completely unfair. Okay, so yes, do you think the latest scandal with Andy Pandy, Prince Andrew, will be able to detrude his um, majestic social position as a royal? Okay, I don't think anything could detrude him from that position. I guess when a woman is in labour, the doctor says, push down, detrude, press down with force. Okay, and that's really the idea of to detrude. Maybe you know the word to protrude, to stick out, to extend beyond the surface. Yeah, my tongue was protruding. Yeah, okay, but to detrude, to push down. Yeah, to push down or to push out. um so yes, uh she raised my spirits to the very, very heights, and then she got fed up of playing with me and detruded me from her company. Okay, so to detrude, to push out. Um, yes, I felt detruded by the pressures of life, pushed down. Yeah, pushed down upon. Yeah, to elevate somebody to the highest echelons of society, only to detrude them again, to push them out. um, but then the powers that be can detrude you at any moment. So maybe marketing tries to suggest that we should detrude old-fashioned ideas and embrace only new fashionable ones. Okay, the detrusion of old ideas is a sorry state of affairs. That's a good collocation, a sorry state of affairs. So, formality. This is a formal literary word. This word is one of these words on the edge of extinction. So please use it and bring it back to life. Yeah, it's being detruded from our vocabulary. This is a word most people won't know, so I'm going to give it 7.5 in formality, maybe even an 8. It sounds really very literary. Yeah, I think it's a great word to use in your exam writings. You'll probably have the examiner looking it up in the dictionary. Well, not anymore. Click to wherever he's going. Okay, so detrude. Yeah. Yeah, during childbirth, the woman needs to detrude on the body of the child, to detrude it, to push it out. Okay, so that's detrude. A regular verb, yeah. He detruded all the ideas that he felt were not appropriate to a person of his station. Yeah, he has been detruded from the society which he thought so highly. Okay, so to detrude, and detrusion as a noun. As to origin, okay, this one comes from Latin. We've got a Latin verb, detrudere, meaning to drive away, to push away, to dispossess, to dislodge. Okay. So, yeah, I'm thinking about that. You could probably use this in a military sense as well. The enemy detruded them from the city. Yeah, they pushed them out of the city. Okay, so to detrude, to push down, to thrust down, to push out, to push away with force. Yeah, sort of like to expel. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Detrude.